Vice Chancellor wa University ya Tharaka Professor KUINJWA Muriungi norite thirikari cha county bagwatanirite na thirikari nene chikarenthi na GUCUA NTAIRA cha gutura cha gukabanira na Mpara nthigurune aritaririria thirikari ni batere kuthuganiria mantu ja wenji bwa ITHIMA dam na mantu jange jaria akari bomba guchigikana jondere MBURA ya uraburu kana yarega kung'ana. Paul Kabithe katumenyithie nkuruki.
What said, innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity, not as a threat.
Oyu Vice Chancellor wa Tharaka University Professor KUINJWA Muriungi ora hakiri muthenya gwe mthi cukuruni ino kiri mucemano wa kuruguria kiumia ukuria utea na urite thirikari nene na thirikari ya matura gutigiriba gucwanjira kana utea ba kuthiria jura ria kuinia muthinti ntere mwanya aga nthiguruni.
We are being faced by very many challenges. You can see it didn't rain well. Our stream here dried up. The land was dried up. That means as a country, both at the national and the county government, we need to think very seriously about our environment.
Muriungi agitumira kanya gaka kuririkania mugongo kumenyera rira ni kingo miuro nkuruki tiga gukara kinyaraga.
Wangare Madai used to say the environment can be very harsh on you if you mistreat it. So it is time as a country to think seriously about our environment. There is no rain, but we need food. Where is food going to come from? We have to be more innovative and even look for more drought-resistant crops. Because every day we must eat. No maize in the field. There are no green grams. The animals have no water and they are going to die. So we need to think very seriously about innovation.
Ikagitani waku Muriungi atariritie.
In other words, we need to start thinking about new products, new services, new processes. And you can see innovation is very closely linked to entrepreneurship, because if you want to survive as a business person, you must innovate. You must come up with new ideas.
Ita University ya Tharaka ni tegarire kubathucitie kiri gukuria mugongo na njira ya utea.
University, we have set aside some money so that our lecturers, our students can be funded to be innovative, to support the ideas. Our Committee on Science, Technology and Innovation mainstreaming, because we want our university also to be very strong in science, in technology and innovation. Then we are also developing those programs that will force our students to innovate.
Nkiripotera Uru TV kumantere cha Tharaka Pitu wa Paul Kabithe.